hybrid?
Hybrid. Oh,
Hybrid.
yeah. That's those cars, right?
The new, yeah.
Yeah.
The new hybrid cars?
The new hybrid cars, yeah. Okay, next one. What's that? Yeah, hybrids can get a little bit
Yeah, it's a little
sticky
tough.
because in plants, a hybrid is something that we have manipulated.
Okay.
It's not something that typically we term as occurring in nature, although they do. Plants cross-pollinate between, different species all the time. But a hybrid is something that's usually done by scientists to cross two different varieties of, say, tomatoes to get a better plant.
Okay.
Typically, it would be to get those traits that would make it a better product, a better tomato, more disease resistance, things like that. So a hybrid is a plant that is the cross between two different parents. And a lot of times that if you save the seed from a hybrid, which is questions, we get those too, right, Chris?
Yes, we do.
They
sure
sometimes will not breed true because they're from two different lines. And then that plant sets seed. Well, obviously it was pollinated from something else, so you're not really going to get that hybrid plant. So the only way you'd get another hybrid plant was to go back to the original cross again, and get the hybrid plant that way. Or you can, like a tomato, you could, clone it, take a cutting. We talked about
that
taking the suckers from tomato plants. I mean, that's a clone. So that's the same as the parent. But that's usually what hybrids are, something that we have manipulated through genetic breeding, to establish a new plant that has good characteristics of both parents.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.